Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to convert articles into engaging videos using the incredible Pictory AI software. So let's get started. First, make sure to open Pictory AI. You can find the link to access it in the description below for your convenience. Once you open Pictory AI, you'll notice 4 handy tools on the interface. We'll be focusing on the second tool called Article to Video. Now, to begin, you'll need an article that you'd like to convert into a video. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using a food blog as an example. Simply copy the article link from the address bar and paste it into the Article to Video tool. Then click the Proceed button to continue. Once the AI processing is complete, you'll see the article's highlights on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to review the highlights and make any necessary adjustments. You can easily add or remove scenes by clicking on the sentences. When you're satisfied with the summary, click on the Next button located in the top right corner. Now it's time to select a template for your video. Choose a suitable aspect ratio that fits your preferences, and Pictory AI will generate a storyboard based on the highlights. The AI analyzes the highlights from your article and automatically assigns visuals and captions to each scene. Amazing, right? In the navigation menu on the left side of the screen, you'll find the Story View tab. Here you can further edit scenes and captions, and even change the text by double-clicking on it. Enhance your video by adding different videos, background music, voiceovers, extra text, and elements of your liking. Let your creativity flow. Once your video is complete, it's time to download it. Simply click the download button located in the top right corner of the screen and select the video. Wait patiently for the processing to be completed and then click on the download button, then save your video. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your article into an engaging video using Pictory AI. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.